Hi guys, it's Don from City Warmth in Brighton, and in today's video we're going to show you how to top up the pressure on your Vaillant Combi boiler. Okay, so this boiler is a Vaillant ecoTEC Plus, and on the left hand side here we have the pressure dial. The pressure dial is this section here. You've got a dotted line on the bottom, a dotted line on the top, and a blackened out section in the middle. The blackened out section reflects how much water you have in your radiators, and we'd like it to be roughly where it is. If you find that your blackened section goes below the bottom dotted line, you'll find that your boiler won't work. Maybe you've got a F28 fault code or an F22 fault code. One of the fault codes that reflects the fact that you haven't got enough water in your radiators. So how do we top up on a Vaillant? On the underside, and it's the same with the EcoFIT and most of the new models, you will find a filling loop, which is this hose section here. On the EcoFIT Pure, you will find it over on this side of the boiler. Anyway, you will have a lever or a tap on either end. You want to open one tap by turning it quarter of a turn anti-clockwise, and do the same on the other one. Pop back up, watch the pressure increase, and when it's got to a place that you're happy with, go back down and close the filling loop by going in reverse. Make sure both taps are fully closed, and that the system pressure is where you'd like. So after you've topped up the pressure in your boiler, go around and bleed your radiators using your bleed key, and having bled the radiators, check the pressure on the boiler again. You may find that having bled the radiators, you need to top it up. With all the radiators full of water, we would like the pressure in the boiler to be roughly where it is in this picture. Alright, good job, you've done it people. You can use this method to top up the pressure on any of the Vaillant Combi boilers in this range.
For more homeowner plumbing and heating tips and energy saving advice, like this video, subscribe and follow us at City Warmth.